Good day, ma'am and sir. I'm Midilin Balocos, 43 years old. I'm single. I have adopted boy, 4 years old. My height is 143 centimeter and my weight is 46 kilogram. I work as housemaid in Saudi Arabia to Mr. and Mrs. Al-Zawahir for 6 years. There are 7 members, 2 adults, 4 children, and 1 2 years old. I do household chores like cleaning the house, washing car, cooking, washing clothes, ironing, gardening, and taking care of the 2-year-old baby, preparing their food, and taking care to bathroom. I want to work in Hong Kong as domestic helper to earn money and to better life living to help the families. I am honest, hardworking, trustworthy, loyal, polite, and willing to learn how to cook Chinese food. I finished the contract in Saudi Arabia. I promised to my future employer to finish my 2 years contract and willing to renew when needed. And that's all. Thank you.